Hello guys! Today, pag-aaralan natin yung Practical Research 1, Quarter 1, Module 1, Nature of Inquiry and Research. So, this study or module is kaya niyang i-discuss in Week 1, Week 2, and Week 3. Depende sa flow ng lesson. Or sometimes, umaabot to ng Week 1 to Week 4. So, ano ba ang laman ng module na to? So, let's start. We want to acknowledge first the people behind this module, the author, J.L. Caballero, yung editors, reviewers, illustrators, layout designs, chairperson and co-chairperson, and members from Region 10. Thank you very much for this module. So let's start. Practical Research 1, Quarter 1, Module 1, Nature of Inquiries and Research. So, ano ba ang laman nito? Tingnan natin. Sa objectives natin, nandiyan ang define what is research, give the importance of research in daily life, enumerate the characteristics, processes, and ethics of research, differentiate quantitative from qualitative research, provide examples of research in the area of interest. So, nowadays, maraming problems and nangangailangan ng solution. And sa pag-aaral natin na to, dito papasok yung research, wherein ito yung magko-contribute ng facts, valid investigation, and experiences, wherein dito tayo kukuha ngayon ng mga evidences natin para masagot ang problema. So what is research ba? Research is a process of inquiring about the solution to problems, collecting data, logical, and evaluating information. So, ito is systematic din. Gaya nung paggagawa natin ng iba't ibang mga academic papers, ang research is organized siya. Una, yung sa chapter 1, nandoon yung problems na re-resolbahin. Siyempre, yung title nandoon. And then, yung mga literatura na gagamitin mo para makatulong dun sa pag-aaral mo. At ano yung methodology o pamamaraan para makuha mo naman yung data at makasagot doon sa mga questions mo at sa problem mo. And then, paano mo ngayon magagather yung data? Pag nakuha mo na yung data ngayon sa chapter 4, i-analyze mo ngayon. At doon lalabas yung sagot o result. And chapter 5, yun namang conclusion. Okay po? Now, sa module natin, nandiyan din yung pre-assessment. May mga questions dito, multiple choice. Although, kaya nga pre-test, wala pa tayong masyadong idea sa mga lalabas dito sa mga test na ito o sa mga number na to. For example, it is a systematic inquiry that describes, explains, predicts, and controls the observed phenomenon. A. Research. B. Action plan. C. Thesis. D. Case study. So, ano ang magiging sagot mo dyan? Next, pupunta tayo ngayon sa importance of research in daily life. Dito sa una nating exercise, ano ba ang pwede mong ilagay ng mga words related dun sa research? So, research yung nasa gitna, pwede tayo maglagay ng investigation, observation, experimentation, and experiences. Pwede ka rin maglagay dyan ng systematic, pwede kang maglagay ng organized. Okay po? So what is research? Research is an organized investigations and study of materials and sources to create facts and reach new inferences. Hindi ko na babasahin lahat, by Walker 2010. Sabi rin dito, research is a verified approach of thinking and employing legalized instruments and steps to obtain a more adequate solution to a problem. Crawford, as cited by Alcantara and Espina, 1995. Meron naman tayong two categories ng research. Yung una, basic research. This is the type of research that is purely direct application by increasing the nature of understanding about the problem. It develops the scientific theories to be more understandable to the reader. So, sample ng basic research, Example, what is the effect of cigarettes? Basic yun. So, at that point pa lang, aalamin mo through investigation and experimentation, ano nga ba ang epekto ng cigarettes. Okay po, yun yung basic, kaya nga basic research. Sumasagot siya sa tanong. Pag applied research naman, it is a type of research that needs an answers to a specific question. Diba, sinasagot na nga ng basic yun. It provides solutions and validation in order to apply to the real settings. So, kapag applied naman, aside from the problem, lalagyan mo siya ng solution. So, kung may epekto ang cigarettes, ngayon, dagdagan mo ng how to cure yung mga epekto ng cigarettes. Doon na papasok yung applied. Okay po? So, meron dalawang kinakategorize dyan. Yung pagsagot sa tanong o pagsagot sa problem at paano mo naman ngayon susolusyonan yung problema. Okay, mga activities din tayo na binibigay ang module. What I have learned. This part of the module, you will brush up on your knowledge of the lesson by filling in the blanks below. Research is, ano ba ang research? Punta tayo doon sa taas kanina. Give at least 2 importance of research. Yan yung mga sasagutan nyo. Next activity, what I can do. Imagine that you are a detective and you will look for the evidence on the crime scene. Supply possible evidence to solve the problem. Ang situation natin, a rape case. Possible evidences, medical examination, victim injuries, toxicology reports. Carnapping case. Possible evidences, bodybuilding, dismantling. Okay, ano pa yung mga evidences na pwede nating ilagay sa mga ganitong situation? Okay po, at this point, nakikita nyo ngayon na nagbibigay ng problema at naglalagay ka ng possible solution.